Well, it's a bit of an overcast day here on the West Keg River in South Thomaston, Owl's Head. 2 traps in, and this is what I've got. So it's picking up. It's not what I would expect in another few weeks, but there's certainly more out of 2 traps than I've gotten so far. I love carbonara, and one of the things that was intriguing about this recipe that I just heard about was, as opposed to using pork product, you use green crabs, of course. So I'm going to make this following a traditional carbonara recipe. I've got my pasta, I've got my garlic clove, I've got a couple of egg yolks and Parmigiano Reggiano and some freshly cracked black pepper mixed in with the egg yolks. And I'm gonna make this and just see what it's like. Now the first step is really to shell the green crabs. Now these are actually relatively soft shell crabs, but I'm gonna take the carapace off and split them down the center, and then I'm gonna fry them off in some butter and olive oil, of course. I'm gonna put my garlic in now. This will go together pretty quick at this point. I am gonna get my pasta in. And I'm going to turn the heat off. And now I need to bring it together with some pasta water here. Turn on a little bit of heat. The thing is, of course, you don't want the egg yolks to cook. You just want them to add that creaminess along with that cheese. And I can already see that that's coming together nicely. Oh yeah. Actually, this looks really delicious. I'm surprised. I can't wait to try this. All right, I guess it's time to try it. First of all, let's just see how the pasta turned out. It should be al dente. Pasta is perfect. I like it so far. But here is the money shot, if you will. This is green crab from Bellahat Cove. I caught today, soft shell. Let's get a little bit of pasta with it too, actually. Are you friggin' kidding me? That is so ridiculously good. Wow. This is maybe my new favorite green crab recipe. The only thing I can think of doing a little differently, I might put a little bit more Parmesan on it, but wow, this is really, really, really good.